Do you want to pack blueberries more efficiently and accurately? The G2 Evolution 10-scale system was designed for growers and packers who demand speed, precision, and care. It delivers up to 150 packages per minute, limiting overweighing to the weight of a single blueberry. Its gentle handling preserves the natural wax bloom of the fruit, while stainless steel construction makes cleaning and maintenance simple. The machine adapts to various package formats, from punnets and clamshells to cartons and shakers, and is available in different numbers of scales, offering flexibility to meet different production needs. Contact us today to learn how the G2 Evolution can transform your blueberry packing process.